Welcome to Lake Placid. Scott here, still running. You back there or something? What's going on there? All right, where are we?
313.
Let them barely miss you. I wouldn't let the kid do that for nothing. Just still flips me out. They let me do this.
Continue on New Boot Heel Road for 4 miles.
Damn. That right there.
So what do you think, man? We'll see what happens.
See what happens.
All right, we're here, getting ready. Well, here's a...
Man, that's a pretty good one.
I don't know, 160 inch, 50 inch.
Man, I didn't know you got exotics.
You got it on safe?
You don't. Yeah.
Good job, dude.
Yeah, you got him. Damn it.
He's down.
Well, it's a stinky claim, but he probably didn't mess up much meat.
Yep. Somewhere.
You got him. Look like shoulder, I think.
Yeah.
Here comes the dog to the left.
Yep.
Hog's flopping. She's down.
That thing does have that little picture with both of them together, or what you want? Yeah, go ahead. Here you go. Hold on now, hold on. You did it, I believe. You seen that big flanking on? Yeah,
He's done.
He's hit.
he's fine. He fell off. He fell down because he lost blood pressure to the brain, or he'd keep running.
It's on vibrate.
Really, two skulls, man. That's what I'm fucking talking about.
Not at first.
Here it was on an angle, so it got lung.
Not too bad.
I mean, well, you only run 5
Yeah,
seconds.
it was that side because he's running up this a ways.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I put it so it's fast enough. I didn't lead.
Got 2 hogs. Skinning them out.
Heck yeah, dude. The trip.
Well, them gators, see? Just gotta charge it. Just calling them in, bro. Okay, that one's eating. That son of a bitch took off.
Yeah, that's an option.
Main thing is keep that line tight, right? Yep.
See, that gator was scared too, and he's laid by that big one, but he's on the bottom.
Damn.
Oh, you ain't seen nothing yet?
He really ain't rolling.
No, he just...
Holy fucking shit.
Right.
Heave Greeks. Come on. Is he a little bit closer?
He's getting closer. Take a couple steps towards the bank.
He is a beast.
Get him up here next to the bank. I'll hold the rod for you, Chuck. Keep filming, and you can pick up the bow. Is that gonna bow your arms and fuck your arms up where you can't shoot?
Yeah, that's fucking part of it though.
Don't let that line get slack. Don't reel up as soon as you let him up. That time line tight.
He ain't going nowhere, bro.
Gonna grab your bow.
Yeah.
Pull on.
Yeah, real a little bit.
Where'd it? Here's 7.2. It'd probably been 7.4 if you tell what kind of skeet dog.
You recording, Chad?
What's happening?
Yeah.
We're winning?
He's pulling line.
What? Huh? Come on now, don't make me do that. How am I stopping? Getting the family into it now. That's what I'm talking about.
Hit him again. Did it bounce off his head or did it completely miss?
Yeah, kind of. No, it hit like at his head, but it didn't go in. It like skipped off his head, like Ricky said.
Oh
and
my
then
God.
it hit the water on the other side.
Try it again, this time with a raise. Oh, blood off his
Bang.
eye.
Same thing. I don't know how that was like. But it hit just kind of before his head, but there it went. If it hits it right there where you shot him, it ain't going through. But it ain't going past through like a deer, you know what I mean? It just gets stuck. Sometimes they don't go this deep.
Gotcha. So I need to
The
get.
bone's
I need to
hard.
catch an angle and hit him in the back of the head.
It hurt. And that neck. Because that's just a
Let's
lot.
do it. That area right there.
You
should
got
be
that
where his
rock
head's
we talked about? Need a big one. Broke it too, okay.
Try to catch this angle really good. And get him in the back of the head.
There you go.
Nice.
That's the money
Now
shot
I
right
heard
there.
It's actually a fine shot, but it's an arrow.
Right.
It just doesn't. Their brain's so small, and if it, you know, it's real protected.
That's a 2-inch cut on the slacker right there, but it probably didn't even fucking deploy.
Here, that's a. Yeah, cause it. I don't know.
Hold this.
Well,
Let's
them
pull him
mechanicals, I would think they break. Mechanical arrows.
Well, even the stiff ones, I've seen them literally.
Take it down, man.
They don't.
You got that on film, right, Chad?
Still filming. 10 minutes, 32 seconds.
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Let me drag it up there.
There. I don't know. He is. He's really big eight.
Damn, I gotta get.
Snapper, snapper.
Heck yeah, man.
Think so.
No.
Yeah. On our way to the processor. Gator killing machines. Right here. Keep her in the road. Got one. What was yours?
7.2.
Mine was 7'2". Hey, what was mine? 8'7". All right, let's fucking shut me.
452-pound wild boar.
We got 3 boars in the back. Pop in the back there. Ready to go.
It's a 16 buff in the dark.